Great vehicles enable present-day purchasers to make new associations with a carmaker's cutting-edge offerings. That is the reason in minimal over a month we've seen Jaguar declare a continuation keep running of the D-Type, Porsche get a show at the Petersen Museum in Los Angeles, Land Rover intend to re-establish a Series I, and Jay Leno praise the 1942 Dodge Carryall. Fiat Chrysler as of now has a legacy division, yet the vintage office steps into its history with the Reloaded by Creators benefit. Said to be enlivened by retail programs at historical centers, Reloaded by Creators will see FCA Heritage source and purchase important works of art from the Abarth, Alfa Romeo, Fiat, and Lancia brands, re-establish them to unique spec, at that point pitch them to authorities. At the point when Roberto Giolito, head of FCA Heritage, softened the news at Retromobile Paris, he likewise uncovered the initial 5 offerings, 3 extreme works of art in the Alfa Spider IV serie, 1991, Lancia Fulvia Coupé Montecarlo, 1973, Spidereuropa Pininfarina, 1981, and 2 custom autos in the Alfa Romeo SZ, 1989, and Lancia Appia Coupé, 1959. A definitive works of art speak to the remnant of a dying breed to be constructed, not really as per show year, but rather as for plan and building. No real model changes took after. The Lancia Fulvia Coupé stopped generation in 1976, the restricted version 1973 Monte Carlo display praised the auto's triumph in the 1972 Monte Carlo rally and still wears the first tags. The 1981 Spidereuropa Pininfarina originates from the earliest starting point of the finish of generation, subsequent to building the Fiat 124 Sports Spider for US just deal from 1975 to 1983, Pininfarina continued fabricate in Europe in 1982 and presented the new name. The Alfa Spider left creation in 1993, the 1991 Series 4 case available to be purchased here has been in FCA's accumulation since it was fabricated, utilized for specialized testing.